Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a LEGO Fortnite not working problem. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The first solution consists of a few steps. The first we need to do is to change the compatibility settings for Epic Games and Fortnite. To do this, you just need to right click on the Epic Games and select properties, select compatibility tab and run this program as an administrator, check mark it and select apply and OK for save changes. We were changed the compatibility settings for Epic Games guys. Now we are going to change the compatibility settings for Fortnite. To do this, you just need to open up File Explorer, click on this PC, and now you just need to double click on the disk where we installed Fortnite. After opening our disk, we need to find Epic Games folder. On disk C, the Epic Games folder is inside the program files x86 folder. After opening the Epic Games folder, you just need to double click on the Fortnite and double click on the Fortnite game. Now double click on the binaries and now double click on the Win64 folder. Now you just need to scroll down and file the files with Fortnite logo. These files are the files that opens when Fortnite is launching and running. We're going to change the compatibility settings of these files. You just need to right click on the file and select properties, select compatibility tab and check mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. After that, disable full screen optimizations, check mark it and select apply and OK for save changes. We will do the same for all other Fortnite logo files as well. We have changed Fortnite's compatibility settings guys. The last thing we need to do is clear Fortnite's and Epic Games cache files. To do this, you just need to close it off here. You just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. In here, you just need to delete the Fortnite game folder and Epic game folder. Fortnite game folder, right click on it and delete it. And now delete the Epic Games folder. Doing this will not harm our game. If the folder is in use, you just need to close the Epic Games guys. Now you just need to close it off here. This was the first solution. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If not, we will move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to update Windows and our graphics card. We may be facing this problem because of the update that should be installed on our computer or not installed. So we will update our Windows and our graphics card. To update Windows, you just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side, select Windows Update. On right side, select check for updates. If any available updates are here, you just need to update it. After that, close it off here. To update our graphics card, you just need to open up GeForce Experience or any other related programs to update it. In my case, I am using NVIDIA driver. That's why I'm downloaded the GeForce Experience and installed it. Click on drivers tab and check for updates. If any available updates are here, then you just need to click on the download and update it guys. You just need to update your driver by related programs and update it. After updating your graphics card, you just need to check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved after trying these two solutions, you can try deleting and reinstalling Fortnite. Sometimes a clean installation may solve such problems. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.